Welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. Today we're going to do the cat ears hat, just like you see. I'm very quick to give stuff away from charity, so I've already given this hat away, even though I did it 2 weeks ago, so I don't know what I was thinking to give it away so quickly. What this is Caron Simply Me. It is a merino wool-based yarn. It is 50% acrylic and 50% wool, and this is affordable to many. So what you're going to find with this particular hat is that it feels absolutely scrumptious, and it is amazing to be able to do. So I'm going to, at the end of today's video, forward you to another video that will pop up on screen on how to do this concept. But for this particular hat, you'll need a 4.5mm US 7 crochet hook in order to do it. You'll need just one ball of the Caron Simply Me Merino yarn, and this here is the average size of an adult. Now the other one is going to be done exactly the same way, but because this is a different type of yarn and it's much thinner, you're going to require a total of 83 chains to be able to begin. There's no stitch multiples to this. If you do not want a brim on your hat, you don't want it rolled up like mine is here, then you are just going to chain then 67. So you are going to be using the back loops only on this particular hat until it is approximately 16 or 26 rows complete, just like you see. It's very deceptive when it's down like this. It's not going to look big enough, but once you actually do the fold over, you're just going to take one side to the other. You're just going to single crochet across the edge, and you're going to realize that it's going to be amazing. So in the flat panel, without stretching, it's about 8 inches wide from one side to the other, and then 17.5 inches long for the longer format that you'll have if you want to do the rolled up brim. You're going to see in this particular download how things are put together. We're going to be covering that in the next video as well. And so without the roll, it looks kind of like this, and with the roll, then just doing like this. This hat feels luxurious to wear, and it naturally creates the little cat ears, which is really quite trending in 2025. So the video is now going to be appearing on screen, and you can enjoy that video, and it's going to take you through step by step on how to make the construction of this hat.